Another important detail you should be aware of is that a part can only have external references in one assembly. Here, I have a second assembly with only one component. The only difference between this level and the previous one are these two additional holes. What I'll do is tile my windows and add the top cover from my original assembly to this new assembly. I'll drag and drop the part in and add a few mates to position the cover. Now that the top cover is in place in this new assembly, I'll edit the part to create the two additional holes. When I click the Edit Component button, SOLIDWORKS immediately warns me that, although I can edit the part, I cannot add additional external references. But let's try it anyway. I'll select the top face of the cover and click the Hole Wizard icon. I'll leave the default hole settings and click Next to position the holes. I'll switch to Wireframe and switch to a top view. The moment my pointer gets anywhere near the geometry of the level, SOLIDWORKS tries to add an automatic relation. Because this component already has an external reference to another assembly, this is not allowed, and I get an error message. So is there a way to avoid this limitation? What if I broke the external references to the original assembly? Would I then be allowed to create external references here in this new assembly? Let's give that a try. I'll right-click the top cover in the Feature Manager tree, select Break All and click OK. Now, if I activate the Hole Wizard, you can see that it's possible to add new external references,